Dear colleagues from the world, I'm Dr. Xiaoming Gong from Beijing, Woyi Medical Group. I'm going to introduce a gynecological ablation workshop in Shanghai, which will be held on September 3rd and 4th. In this 2 days workshop, we will have lectures, videos, live surgery, animal model demonstration will help you to learn this technique. Ablation therapy including high-intensity focused ultrasound, microwave ablation, radiofrequency. Those are new methods in our field of gynecology. It can be used for fibroids, adenomyosis. It's a non-invasive and super minimal invasive method for those kind of treatment. So it will have a good future in our field. If you like, you can join our workshop. This workshop will be a part of the pre-congress workshop as an APAG meeting. This year's APAG annual meeting will be held in Shanghai from September 5th to September 7th. Welcome you to Shanghai.